Wondering if this thing actually works as well as the corded version? I did too. It did recharge well for me. The function was great. I did try it out on a couple of different DIY projects and I really had no issue there. So does it heat up and work as well as a corded one? Yes. For me, the flow was fine. I continued to just pump that orange handle. It did heat up well and the stick was fine. In fact, it heated up in about 15 seconds, which is pretty standard, I feel like. My favorite part is it recharged in that stand. So I didn't have to worry about it tipping over. I didn't have to worry about it running out of charge because it automatically did that for me. It does have a auto shut off too. So when I left it too long, it would just auto shut off. I absolutely love that I could just put it back in that holder, grab it, use it wherever I wanted, set it back down. It didn't fall over. It stayed put, and I could really count on that thing to be ready when I was ready. As far as holding it, it was very comfortable in my hand, and I like the battery level indicator is very prominent, so you know exactly where you stand. The glue sticks go in the back just like any other outlet, and I had no issues just using them. It came with many of them to get me started, which I really appreciated, and it did slide in just fine, just like a standard one. I did like that there was no cord. That was a huge game changer for me. That thing has always been in the way, and I found that everything did heat up really quickly and that it was very lightweight. My hand did not fatigue using it over a period of time, and 25 glue sticks is more than plenty to get you started. So I'd say overall what stands out, it feels very effortless. The heat up was quick. It stayed comfortable in my hand. It gave me the freedom to work on projects without the cord getting in the way, and super portable. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. I love that I could reach out to them should I have any questions at all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.